Hi guys, I'm Alex from Depot Sanitary Company. Welcome to our video broadcasting, and it's my pleasure to here to introduce two products for you guys. Next, I'm going to introduce a product which is very popular and at Europe and Asia South market. This is my behind Hinge sourdough. The model name is PY153. Okay, let's take a look at the one by one. First, we see two important distinctive places. First, we'll look at the glass. The glass is articulate. Is a piece of glass, very artistic piece of glass, very achieved. The design on the glass was put on by coating process. We can do anything pattern by your request. The temperature glass thickness only can be made 6 or 8 millimeter. Second, let's move us to the hinge. It's an ignore hinge, which is made from zinc alloy with chrome. Inside of hinge is inner flat structure and 3 jumpy hole. This structure is very durable and anti-dirty, and it's very easy to be cleaned. The hinge can only be opened 90 degrees. Open 90 degrees. You can see. And let's move eyes to the super bag. It's made of as 304 stainless steel for middle part. It's made from zinc alloy for both ends. For both ends, it's zinc alloy. Okay, let's move us to the work profile. It looks the judgment for the cross position profile is 0 to 10 millimeter. For other side profile of the wall, the judgment is 0 to 50 millimeter. Let's move. Okay, let's look at the handle. The handle touch very smooth and very suitable for a holder, and it's made from the zinc alloy. The shapes is like 7, like you can see. And for the behind is a flat structure, and it's only one finger to here close the door. And let's look at the bottom limiting strip. For this bottom aluminum is made from the aluminum, and for this for both ends the molybdenum is ABS with chrome. Finally, these important things I need to talk. This is all spare parts to be can pass the exact short spray text 48 hours. Okay, this is PY153. If you are interested in the products, please leave a message to us. Bye, guys.